Good morning, students. Welcome to class 6. I am going to take your English classes, and today is the first literature class. The first lesson of our literature book is Tom Has a Toothache. And in this lesson, we are going to know about a young boy's experience of Monday blues. Blues means sadness. Monday blues means sadness of Monday. We will also know how he tries to make excuses to skip the school. Now, in this story, there are three characters. The main character is Tom, another is Sid, and the third one is Aunt Polly. Now, let's start the story. On Monday morning, when Tom wakes up, he feels very sad because he knows it is Monday and he will have to go to school, and he is not willing to go to school. So he starts thinking about some excuses so that he can tell Aunt Polly not to allow him to go to school. While thinking, first thing he thinks, oh God, maybe I was sick. But he was not sick, and he starts thinking again. He finds his one of his upper teeth is loose, and it may be a good excuse to stay at home. But at the same time, he realizes that if he tells about his loose tooth to Aunt Polly, she will pull it out, and that will hurt him. So he starts thinking the another excuse. He remembers few days back a doctor has told his patient about his toe, that if you will not take care of your toe, you might lose your fingers. And just Tom has gotten an idea, and he decided to tell Aunt Polly about his toe. Now, the rest of the lesson I will explain you in the next video. Now Tom starts making the another excuse. He said, one of my teeth is loose. It aches awfully and I can't go to school. Aunt Polly said, okay, your tooth is loose, but you are not going to die with that. Come, open your mouth, I will pull it out and you will be relaxed. Tom is scared. He cried, oh please Aunt, don't pull it out. It will give more pain. I don't want to stay home from school. He accepts that he was making just excuses because he didn't want to go to school. At last, Aunt Polly makes Tom understand that you don't have to lie. You don't have to make excuses. Go and sleep. We will decide what to do. Will you go to school or you will stay at home? Now, as Tom decided to tell Aunt Polly about his toe, he starts groaning loudly. He wants Sid to hear his groan and call Aunt Polly. But Sid was sleeping and he can't hear his groan. Then Tom starts groaning louder and louder, and finally Sid wakes up and asks, Tom, what happened? Why are you weeping? Tom just stopped Sid and said, don't touch me. I have got sore toe and I am going to die. Sid said, what? What are you saying? He scared and just flew downstairs. He told Aunt Polly, "Aunt, come quick, Tom is dying." Aunt said, "What? It is not possible." And she hurriedly goes to Tom and asked him, "Tom, what happened? What's wrong with you?" Then Tom said, "Aunt, I am dying. My sore toe is paining awfully." Aunt Polly understood that Tom is pretending. Then she goes close to Tom and starts crying and laughing at the same time. She was crying because she found Tom in such a condition, and she was laughing because she understood that Tom has been fooling her. Then Aunt said, "Tom, just stop this nonsense and come out of it." Then Tom realized that Aunt has understood his reason. The groans ceased and the pain vanished from the toe. Dear students, the lesson is finished. I have summarized the lesson. You have to read it line by line and try to understand.